As I already loosened this rear shock to remove the chain guard, I'm just going to go ahead and remove both of them now. Rethinking this, I'm going to leave the shocks on and remove the tire rear wheel first. So I'm going to disconnect the brake lever, this hub, things get removed. Then I've already loosened the chain tensioners. Drop those. Lock nuts, take out the axle, remove the chain, and voila, should just back right out. Rear wheel is off. Going to disconnect the brake lever and hub bracket, I guess. I put this back together just so you can see. It literally is just removing these two nuts. This will be on either side of the swing arm. But for right now, I'm just going to show you. This side of note has a spacer, significant spacer, but essentially you can pull out the axle. Then the brake just comes right out. I don't know on a motorcycle, but you know, if that was a brake shoe on a car, it's got some decent pad left. Some surface rust in here. Obviously this has to get sanded down, cleaned. And then the sprocket side also slips right out. That easy. Those look pretty decent. Alright, this is coming off next on both sides. Should be 3 screws and a bolt. Missing 1 screw. Other side has everything. Alright, have those off. Just thought this was interesting, the rear brake lights, or light I should say, goes through that little chamber right there. Not pretty, but that's part of the process. Next item to come off are these rear footrests. Simple. 1 nut. Rear footrests are off. Again, just putting everything back where it goes. Took the chain off as well. Just removed it from the front sprocket and then just carried it back off the swing arm. It looks like there's a, I don't know what to call it, a chain guide. Maybe it is a chain guide. It seems to have had better days. goes around the swing arm and this part. Next, pulling out this swing arm. It's under a little pressure. This is as far as I'm going to get tonight. Got several things removed. I got stuck here on the, what I think Honda calls the rear fork. Others call a swing arm. This pivot bolt, well, this nut is not budging. I was just told, heat it, WD-40, maybe heat it again until it breaks loose. So that will wait for another day.